rich man's gold.
Tagay ba, tagay?
It's in your soul.
Mauro man is Denmark, oy.
You can do this all day if you try.
Hello. Hi, Alvin. Hi, Marcos.
We are in line.
Vad ska jag söka?
Hello. Masyal lang masyal kami dito sa ano, Saloon, Sweden. Pero pareho lang din Denmark. Maganda din. Ganda sa mga puno, oh. Marcus, what do you want?
Nothing.
McDonald's?
Where you go?
Sorry. Hoy, ban. Smagi sa bike sa Maripila. Aray, okay. Kay. Tag 20. Iladlad dire yung mga books. Ganito sila once kong mga second hand dito pang summer. Buffy Asian.
And noodles?
Hello? Kumakain. Nag-standby muna kami. Nag-relax. Kasi hanap kami ng ano, kung anong kakainin namin daw. Hanap kami ng restaurant. Nag-picnic na. Muna na no. Kumakain na. Akala ko mag-restaurant. Maganda dito sa Saloon. First time ko dito. Yung mga kagrupo ko. Kasi holiday din si Maribel ang sis ko. Undoy? Ang ganda dito, oh. Parang naalala ko sa ano, parang sa Spain. Money walking street, doy? Money walking street. Hanap kami ng ano, restaurant. Gusto nila Asian food, of course. Rice.
This is my mom's favorite. This is
Ano saan eh?
It's okay, just one cheeseburger.
Aha. Ano eh? Close?
Better.
Ha?
No, it's no buffet.
Yeah, it's good.
No, but it's...
No buffet.
I think sabi ng baby. Wala na?
Oh, wala na.
Ano?
Lunch buffet. I didn't have lunch buffet. No.
Anymore. Day, mga ligo mo? Pwede pa na yung sexy ha, doy. Gumalo, no? Pagdali mo. Ngaya-ya man lakaw to, eh. Mga kagrupo. Oh, wow. Ang ganda sa church, oh.
Dani ba sa luna?
Wow. Loon Church. Ha? Unique siya kay parang ano mga parang black. Oh.
We'll go inside.
Yeah.
Come, we can go inside before we go.
Magandang church na to. Pero sa personal makita nyo grabe ang ganda. Sa video parang maliit tingnan pero ang laki. Ang color niya may pagka-black. Pasok tayo. Ang ganda dito. Ang ganda, no? Malaki. Nagkot? Nagkot ko na. Ito sa kilid. Sa Maribel lang. May annex pa pala. Parang Santo Niño sa Cebu. Parang Santo Niño sa Cebu. Malaki sa may gilid-gilid din. Nagkota. Wish. Wala na yan dyan siguro. Akyat tayo. Catholic, ne? Oh. Design ganyan, no? Mga old. Very old. Wow. Nasa taas na kami. Hindi na to ginamit? Di ba may service din Sunday dito?
Walang kurana nila sa
Uy, ang ganda, no?
karaan ka.
Wow. Sumunod ng mga bata. Ha? Mabuti kasi open dito eh, kahit saan. Pwede mag-video, pwede mag-picture. Alvin. Yeah. Mabuang yung mata. Skabisi? Yeah. May concert daw dito sa loob. Right, yeah, concert. Russell. Hintay kami ng concert daw mamaya. Tingnan natin ang concert.
Good afternoon. I'm so happy that you all come came to our concert. Behind me is the Haydn Youth String Orchestra from Groningen, from Holland, from the Netherlands. We're extremely happy to play in this incredibly beautiful church. And this is our first concert in Sweden of this tour, so we're really excited to see so many people in this beautiful church. We have.
May nahanap kami nga Thai restaurant. So, here we go. Thai.
They made Thai. We know what they made Thai.
Huh?
What they made Thai. This is my...
Oh, it's this way, Jinx.
Happy ang mga Asian na nakita ng Thai restaurant. So come bis ka gawin. Bis ka pizza sa. Uy, wow. Pwede hiklit. Wow, nice.
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight, gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days.
These kids use that.
So, that's flat. Yes.
I want a future where I'm okay. Living life is doing lots of cocaine. Wait, no, it's living with no shame. Wait, no, it's sleeping in on Sundays. I guess it's different for each of us and that's okay. Well, I just wanna be happy. How to get there? Glad that you asked me. I think it's different for everyone. Some of us need work, others need fun. Some of us need purpose to overcome. But try to do what you love when it's said and done. Cause there's so many differences in each of us. Trust your gut, it can show you what you want. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want.
Pagod na galing naglakad.
Pagod na. Tapos na yung vacation
Pauwi
namin.
na. Nakakapagod din pala magpasyal-pasyal.
anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, hope to be a better